Well, that just happened. Either way, your computer is now very broken. And unfortunately, you saved important files like family photos or work documents onto that computer. Well, in this video, we'll be looking at how to recover those important files without spending a penny. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing I need you to do is take the hard drive out of your broken computer. To do that, remove the case from your computer. On a laptop, slide the hard drive back and the hard drive should come out easily. On the desktop computer, disconnect all the cables that are connected to the hard drive and the hard drive should be free from the rest of the computer. You are going to need a SATA to USB adapter. If you have an external hard drive case, you can use that. If you don't, you will need to buy a SATA to USB adapter. Next, you will need to plug the hard drive that you just took out into a working computer. Search for this PC and then click on Open. Locate the external hard drive and then open it. On this page, click on Users. On this page, find your user profile. Usually is the name of your account on your computer. Now, my user profile was called Brilliant, so I'm going to click on it. But we got this error message saying you don't have permission to view or edit this object's security properties. In a nutshell, this means that Windows is blocking us from viewing what's on the drive. So what we need to do is get permission. You can close this message. The first thing I need you to do is right-click on your profile. Then head on over to Properties. On this page, navigate to the Security tab. On this page, click on Edit and then click on Add. And that should direct you to this page. On this page, click on Advanced and then click on Find Now. And that should open up this menu down here. On this menu, scroll down until you find Everyone. And this will allow everyone to have access to files on this drive. If you want a bit more privacy, you can select the name of your computer, then click OK. And then you can click Apply. Then you can click OK, then you can click Apply. Click Continue on any prompts that pop up, even if they're error message. Just click Continue. And depending on how many files you have on the drive, that will determine the duration. Now, I have a few files on the drive, so it shouldn't take too long. When that's done, click on your profile, and this time it should open. Click on the destination that you saved your files. I saved my files onto my desktop. I'm going to click on Desktop. And these are my files. So I'm going to select them and then copy them onto my desktop computer.
A few moments later.
And that's how you recover data from your broken computer. Next time, be careful with your computer and don't do this. And that concludes this video. If you enjoyed or found this video helpful, then consider leaving a like and subscribing. Turn on post notifications to be the first to know when I publish a new video. Also, if you have any constructive criticism or any questions or anything, comment them below. Until next time, thanks for watching. Peace!